very good morning, students. Students, in this assignment, that is 4.3, we're going to discuss some of the questions. See, 4.3, first question, first part. Find the degree of this algebraic expression. I have to find the degree. Students, what does the degree means? Degree means the addition of the highest powers. See, the highest power. See, if I add the power of these two terms, 4 plus 3 is 7, okay. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. So the highest power, degree means highest maximum power, I can say. Okay. After addition of the variables, see, 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 2 is 8. Yes, 8 is maximum because this is 6. So the degree is 8. The degree of this algebraic expression is 8. Okay. Now moving forward to the part number 2. X is given to us and Y is given to us. And I have to find out the value of 3x minus 2y. So students, see, 3x. X is minus 2 plus y is 3. So students, if I just multiply them, 3 to the 6 with negative sign, so it will be minus 6 plus 3 to the 6. These can be cancelled out, so the answer is 0 now. Okay. Now I have to find out next question, question number 2. I have to find out the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Coefficient of x means the number after leaving the x. If I just remove this x, what is the answer? Okay, so coefficient means the number that we will obtain after removing the x. If I remove this x, the number that I will get is 3. So the answer is 3. Okay. Similarly, the coefficient of x in minus 4x, just remove x. If I just remove x, the answer is minus 4a. So the coefficient is minus 4a. Similarly, in this also, if I just remove x, so only 5 and y square is remaining. So the coefficient of x is 5y square. Okay. Now moving forward to the question number 3, students. Write the numerical coefficients. Coefficients means the same. Just remove the variables. If I just remove x cube, I get 1. Okay. Numerical coefficient. Numerical means the number. That means I have to give the numbers. So x square and y, these are variables. So the number is minus 7. In this the number is 5. In this the number is minus 2. So this is our required answer. Similarly, in this also I have to give the answer as a numerical coefficient. So just leave the variables aside. So if I just remove a cube, the answer is minus 2. The only number here is 7. Along with sign I have to take, okay. So take minus 6 and here I can take 8. So this is our required answer. Now students, in this I have to identify the like terms. Like terms means that are of same kind. See, if I just write 2x and 9x, see, x and x both are same, so these are like terms. But if I write 2x and 9y, x and y are different, so these are not like terms. Okay, so the variables should be same. See, and this x square is here. Okay, this x square is here. So these two are like terms because see, this is y square and this is z square. Both of these are different. Therefore, x square comma 2x square are like terms. Okay, so this is our answer. And in this, students, if I take xy, no xy is there, okay. If I take yz, yes, yz is there. So therefore, yz and yz by 2, these are the like terms. Similarly, in this also, if I take x square y, see, x square y, see, they are just rearranged because if I write 1 into 2, it will be 2, and if I write 2 into 1, that will also be 2. So minus 2x square y and minus yx square. These are the like terms. Because see, this is xy square and this is x square y. So this is not a like term. Okay, students. Now in this question number 5, students, I have to find out the degree. See, students, degree I have already discussed. This is the maximum power after addition. See, if I just add the powers, nothing is there, so I can write 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. Yes, 4 is the maximum. So the degree is 4. Okay. Now with this 2, nothing is here. I can write 1. I can write 1. So 2 plus 1, it is 4. 4 to 6, 1, 7. Yes, this is maximum because this is 3. So the degree is 7. Okay. Now students, in this 2 and 1 is here because nothing is here. I can write 1. I can write 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Yes, the degree is 3 now. Okay. Now here power is nothing, so I can write 1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1 plus 1, 4. See, 3 to 5, 1, 6. So yes, this is maximum because this is 4. So the degree is 6. So this is our question number 5, students. Now just moving forward to the question number 6. In question number 6, x is equals to 1 is given and y is 2 is given. See, in question number 6, if I discuss, see students, in question number 6, x is equals to 1 and y is 2 is given. In question number 6, x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2 is given to us. Okay. And I have to find out the value of some algebraic expressions. First is x square y. I have to find out the value of this. X means 1 raised to the power y. 2, sorry, y is 2. So 1 square is 1 and 2 is given. So answer is 2. Now moving forward to the second part, I have to find out the value of x square plus y square. So x square plus y square. X is 1, so 1 square. Y means 2, so it means 2 square. So 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, so it will be 5. So 5 is our required answer. Okay. Now just move forward to the question number 7, students. X, Y, Z, A and B are given to us and I have to find out the value of some of the expressions. So moving forward to the question number 7, x is given to us 2, y is minus 3, z is minus 2. So x, y, z is given to us. A is 2, b is 3. So these are the values that we know. Okay. And I have to find out the value of some of the expressions. So see students. First of all, in first part, we have to find out 2a square plus ab. In this, we have to find out 2a square plus ab. Okay. I have to find out the value of this. So 2a square means 2a square means 2 square plus a means 2, b means 3. Okay, so what will be the value? 2 raised to the power 2, 4, 4 to the 8 plus 3 to the 6, 8 plus 6 is 14. So 14 is our required answer. Now, if I take the third part, okay, third part is 4xy square, 4xy square minus 3yz square plus 4x square z plus 4x square z. I have to find out the value of this. So just do one thing, just put the value of x by z here. Okay. So 4x, x means 2, y square means minus 3 square, minus 3, y means minus 3, z means minus 2, 4x means 2 square, z means minus 2. So just simplify that, students. See. Minus square is positive, minus 3 square means minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. Okay, minus into minus is plus, so minus plus 3 is a 9. So this is 9 and this is 8, so 8 9 is 72. Okay. Now see, minus and minus is plus. Okay. Negative minus 2 raised to power 2 means minus 2 into minus 2, that will be 4. So this is 4, this is 9. So 4 9s is 36. 4 9s is 36. Now minus and plus is minus. So this is 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 4s is 32 now. Okay. So see, if I just subtract them, it will be 4. So if I just add 72 plus 4, it will be 76. So 76 is our required answer. So the remaining 2-3 parts you have to do yourself, students. So I hope all of you understand this assignment, students. Just practice these questions and the examples also. Okay. Till then, just be safe, be at home. Thank you.